So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a cleaning my room for like 2020 to like start off the new year. My room is a mess right now and I just need to clean it. So I'm going to clean it and then I'm going to do a room tour because I've always gotten requests to do a room tour, but I've never done one because I think like my room's a little weird compared to like most people just because of the fact that I have curtains in 2020. But I'm going to do a room tour anyway. So you saw like a little overview, like montage in the beginning of what needs to be done. So I'm just going to tackle those areas that need to be cleaned. Let's just get started. I have my room lights on right now, which I never turn on, but they're on right now because I need better lighting. And I don't really want to use my ring light because I'm lazy to set it up. So the first thing we're going to do is tackle my bed area. So what I need to do is fold all these clothes and put them away and then remake my bed. And then I need to clean like the nightstand areas, like put stuff away and like dust it and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to do now. Problem with like making my bed is because I like kick my sheet down because I don't like it, so it's like always in the depths of like the thing. Okay, so now that my bed is all made, I'm going to tackle my dresser. So here I just need to put a bunch of stuff away or like put it back in its place. So that's what I'm going. Actually, I need to dust my, you know what? I'm just going to do this first and then I'm going to do like all dusting because then I can dust the whole thing when it's like all clear. Socks. Okay, so the next area I need to tackle is my closet. Basically, I have this section of my closet where I keep all my jeans and my skirts like behind this door, like down there. They're all hung on like a rung. I think that's what it's called, like a rung. I think the bar where you hang this thing on. It's really messy down there. They're all like all clumped together because I keep all of like my camera equipment and my like hair straightener and stuff in there. It's just messy at the bottom because whenever I take like that stuff out, it kind of like messes with the clothes that are like on top of them. So I'm gonna take out all the hangers of the things I need to reorganize and then sit and organize them. Welcome to my closet. It's like so dark in here. Basically, the mess that I'm talking about. Oh my god, this is so heavy. This is such like a mess. Right here, like I don't even wear half of these clothes. Like this, I mean this could be a vibe today. Yeah, I really need to give some of these clothes away. I'm probably gonna give them to my like younger cousin. This is also nice because then I get to go through like which jeans I have because I always think I have no jeans. I'm sick and tired of blue jeans, but like I just found these green jeans here. So like now I can wear these and be quirky instead. We have one set done. Some of these have like more than 2 jeans per hanger and that's just not good. Like, and then some of them have like 1. If I make everything like folded and more smooth, like even though they're already hung on there, they'll take up less surface area. Maybe. Here I have 5 pairs of pants. Like last year when I was in my Emma Chamberlain phase, I got these and I was like, I'm going to be the quirkiest girl around. Look at me in my checkered pants. And I only wore them once because then I got self-conscious about them. It's whatever. I've been into joggers. Like I think they look pretty swag. I have this one pair and I would wear it if not for the fact that like I don't know what I was doing when I was 12. But, like these still fit me, like I could still wear them, but like the knee is like so worn. Oh, I forgot I have these. See, like you never know what you're gonna find. So in my room over there in that corner, I have a space where I have my bunny head that I did in 9th grade out of paper mache. My mom like put it on a pedestal, like literally. The thing is, like it doesn't go with my room because the bunny is white and gold. I like my room to be like silver and gray and purple. And this random pink pillow over here, that's basically the color scheme of my room. She will not let me remove the bunny from my room, so it stays there. And I hate how it looks. I'm gonna put the black and white pants together. I think that's good. It's a good idea. Then I have these 2 skirts that just stay hanging without clip, so I'm gonna put them in a clip. So if you want to see what I have going on over here. So I have all my jeans over there, my skirts over here, and the pants that don't fit me and I need to give away. So I'm going to put them all back. So I'm going to try to clean up the area that has the bunny. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. So like you can see here, I have this chair with clothes that I'm gonna move, and then I have these shoes that I'm gonna move. Okay, well, look at that modern art. You wanna know who painted this? Me. I did. I painted that. Okay, so we are now in my bathroom. Over here I have a bunch of clothes hung up here because this is where we hang clothes that we don't need to dry in the dryer. Like, none of these clothes can go in the dryer without getting ruined or shrinking. I'm going to wipe down my bathroom sink area because that can get like a lot of water stains. I have acquired the goods. So I'm going to wipe down my counter now. Wish me luck.
Oh, grace, oh, grace. Every time you come around, I feel okay. You help me see color in the world.
Okay, I'm done, yay! It smells so good in here. But like, this stuff is so bad for you, like you cannot breathe this in. That is basically it for this because my room is all clean. Like, I organized my main room and I just cleaned my bathroom. So now I'm going to move on to the room tour.
I'm losing my love.